Our education at the Faculty of Culture and Society is organised in 3 different departments: the Department of Global Political Studies, the School of Arts and Communication, which you're at the moment, and the Department of Urban Studies. Each of the departments offers master programs in English for both international and domestic students. If we start with the Department of Global Political Studies, also called GPS, we like our acronyms, I can say it's a truly international environment and has a research focus on global and international issues. GPS also have students coming from all over the world to the many international programs that are on offer. The global research focus involves politics and power relations, as well as studies on international migration and migration-related social issues. Many researchers in the department are active in the International Research Center Malmö Institute for Studies of Migration, Diversity and Welfare, MEME, another acronym for you. The master programs offered are within the main fields of political science and international migration and ethnic relations. Our next department, the School of Arts and Communication, is also called K3 for the Swedish abbreviation of Art, Culture and Communication, konst, kultur och kommunikation. K3 is a vibrant research environment with researchers in fields such as design, information technology, media research and cultural sciences. Master programs are offered within the main fields of interaction design, communication for development, media and communication studies and cultural studies. A core feature of both education and research at K3 is a combination of traditional scientific and academic theory with artistic methods and practical elements, some of which you see in the background here, artistic as well as practical. Finally, Department of Urban Studies is a multidisciplinary department with an exciting and multifaceted focus on urban research issues such as urban migration, urban ecology, urban economics, mobility and social sustainability. Research is often interdisciplinary and conducted in collaboration with organizations and companies. Master programs are offered within the main fields of urban studies and leadership and organization. For instance, Leadership for Sustainability, which has a focus on sustainable development and sustainability leadership. If you're interested in learning more about any of the programs that I've talked about here today, please do not hesitate to find more information through our website or contact any of the study and career advisors in the different departments. I very much hope to see you in one of our programs in the future. Welcome and bye.